All right, seventh graders, this is to help you with number 1 on CR number 4. If you have your PDF, they will go in this order, but if you're online just submitting your responses, your teacher may have randomized the order, so this might not correspond to number 1 on the computer, but if you have your PDF in front of you, it should correspond to that. Okay, so let's get started. 7 bushels of apples are divided into 4 bags. How many bushels are in each bag? Okay, so we have 7 bushels of apples sorted into 4 equal bags, divided into 4 equal bags. All right, I'm just going to draw a tape diagram to model those 4 bags. I'm going to chop it in half. This side in half, that side in half. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these represent our 4 bags. So we have a total of 7 bushels of apples that we need to divide up into 4 bags. And the question is, how many bushels in each bag? All right, so if we have 7 bushels and we're dividing them into 4 bags, we just take 7 and divide it by 4. You can long divide it out if you need, or we know division is a fraction bar, so 7 divided by 4. So 7/4 is what as a mixed number? 7/4 is what as a mixed number? Well, let's take a look at fourths. In one whole, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths. We have 7/4. So if I look here and I break this up, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7/4. So 7/4 is the same as 1 whole and 3/4 of another. All right, so it looks like it's 1 3/4 bushels, in each bag. All right, another way you might remember a teacher showing you this, how many times does 4 go into 7? 4 goes into 7 once. With how many left over? 3 left over. So it's 1 3/4. I personally like the visual for myself. I see that 7/4 is the same as 1 3/4. So the answer here is 1 3/4. And I'm telling you, if you took 1 3/4 plus 1 3/4 plus 1 3/4 plus 1 3/4, you'll come back up to a total of 7. Or if you take 1 3/4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll come back up to a total of 7. Hopefully that helps. Just take it, divide it out. You might want to draw yourself a visual tape diagram. Sometimes that's helpful.